This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Google Photos without deleting them from your phone. So let's go to the Google Photos application right here and just simply open this up. And you can see there is an option for backup. So let's go to the top right, hit our profile picture, scroll on down, go to Photo Settings, and simply turn off backup right here. So when we have backup turned off, it's not going to upload to the cloud anymore. But we can't delete the photos under here because it's going to delete them from our phone now. So what we want to do is go on over to Chrome or a web browser and go to photos.google.com. So you can see it in there, photos.google.com. Now go to the top right when you log in and select the three little dots and go to select photos. Now you can select photos on here, and when you delete them now, so let's just select one photo maybe and go to delete. They're going to move to the trash in Google Photos. Alright, so I have some, maybe like a video here that is a minute and 30 seconds long that I might want to delete. So it looks like I have to click on it and then go to delete. And just a lot of these videos are just very large and uses up all my data on here. So delete your larger videos from here, and maybe you can just keep the photos. But now, if I go back to my phone, they're going to be deleted from here. Since I don't have backup on, it's not going to be deleted from my phone now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.